Ayat-ul-Kursi. It is mentioned in Misbah al-Kafami that the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said that the person who regularly recites Ayat-ul-Kursi, Allah blesses his heart with wisdom, faith, sincerity, trust, and generosity. He, the Prophet, said, "Whoever drinks Zamzam water after reciting this verse, it becomes a source of healing for all bodily ailments. He will be protected from the whispers of Satan and from forgetfulness. If someone makes it into an amulet and wears it, he will be protected from wild animals, insects, magic, and all kinds of diseases. Whoever recites it continuously will be protected from divine punishment." Surah An-Nas, the mankind. Say, I seek refuge with the Lord of mankind, the King of mankind, the God of mankind, from the evil of the whisperer who withdraws after whispering, who whispers in the hearts of mankind, whether he is from among the jinn or mankind. Surah Al-Ikhlas, the sincerity. Say, he is Allah the One, Allah the Eternal and Absolute. He neither begets nor is born, and there is none equal or comparable to him.